This Michelangelo Saucepan Set 6 pieces, crafted with premium 1810 stainless steel and a Tri-Ply bottom, promises to elevate your culinary experience. Whether you're preparing gourmet meals or simple family dinners, this versatile set offers the tools you need to achieve perfection in the kitchen. With a range of sizes, 1 quart, 2 quart, and 3 quart, each with its own tempered glass lid, this cookware set ensures you're ready to tackle any recipe with confidence. Let's dive into this in-depth review to uncover why this set is a must-have for every kitchen and why it's quickly becoming a favorite among cooking enthusiasts. Key features that set the Michelangelo Saucepan Set apart. Number 1. High-quality stainless steel construction. Crafted with 1810 food-grade stainless steel, this saucepan set offers unmatched durability and resistance to rust and stains. The Tri-Ply bottom ensures even heat distribution, eliminating hot spots for consistent cooking results. Number 2. Compatibility with all stovetops. One of the standout features of the Michelangelo Saucepan Set is its compatibility with all stovetops, including induction. The robust Tri-Ply bottom allows seamless transitions from stovetop to oven, handling temperatures up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 3. Versatile sizes for every recipe. The set includes 1 quart, 2 quart, and 3 quart saucepans, making it ideal for various cooking tasks. From simmering sauces to boiling pasta or preparing side dishes, these pans cover all your culinary needs. Number 4. Ergonomic and comfortable handles. The double-riveted, hollow stainless steel handles remain cool to the touch during cooking. Their ergonomic design provides a secure and comfortable grip, ensuring safety and ease of use even when the pans are filled to capacity. Number 5. Tempered glass lids for precision cooking. Each saucepan comes with a tempered glass lid, allowing you to monitor your cooking progress without lifting the lid. This design helps retain heat and moisture, ensuring optimal cooking results. Number 6. Drip-free pouring design. The flared edges of the saucepans offer a seamless pouring experience. You can transfer liquids directly from pan to plate without worrying about messy spills or drips. Number 7. Easy cleanup and dishwasher safe. Stainless steel construction makes cleaning a breeze. Whether you choose to hand wash or use a dishwasher, these pans maintain their shine and performance over time. What makes the Michelangelo Saucepan Set unique? The Michelangelo Saucepan Set is not just another cookware collection, it's a combination of elegance, functionality, and durability. Its stainless steel finish complements any kitchen aesthetic, while the Tri-Ply bottom technology ensures professional-grade cooking performance. Unlike non-stick cookware, these pans are designed to withstand high temperatures and heavy use, making them a long-term investment. They're perfect for home cooks and professionals alike, offering versatility for everything from delicate sauces to hearty stews. Benefits of the Michelangelo Saucepan Set. Efficiency in the kitchen. The even heat distribution and versatile sizes allow you to cook multiple dishes simultaneously with consistent results. Eco-friendly design. Stainless steel cookware is free from harmful chemicals like PFAS and PFOA, ensuring a safer cooking experience. Durability. Built to withstand frequent use and high temperatures, this set promises years of reliable performance. Stylish appeal. The sleek stainless steel finish adds a touch of sophistication to any kitchen. Why you should buy this set today. All-in-one cooking solution. The range of sizes ensures you're prepared for any recipe, from small servings to larger meals. Exceptional value for money. Combining high-quality materials with versatile functionality, this set offers incredible value. Cook with confidence. With its ergonomic handles, drip-free pouring, and clear lids, this set makes cooking a joy, not a chore. Hassle-free maintenance. Dishwasher safe and easy to clean, these pans save you time in the kitchen. Use cases. Who is this saucepan set perfect for? Home cooks, ideal for preparing everyday meals with ease. Professional chefs, a reliable and durable option for high-demand kitchens. Health-conscious individuals, stainless steel construction ensures safe and toxin-free cooking. Gift buyers, a thoughtful gift for weddings, housewarmings, or anyone looking to upgrade their cookware. Conclusion: your kitchen deserves the best. The Michelangelo Saucepan Set offers a perfect balance of style, functionality, and durability. Whether you're simmering, boiling, or sautéing, this set delivers professional results every time. Its versatile design, premium materials, and easy maintenance make it a smart investment for any kitchen. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.